So let's take a look at each of these suites, and we'll begin in the world of film and games with the 2012 Entertainment Creation Suite for the film and game industry. And to do this, I'm going to ask Rob Hoffmann from our Media and Entertainment Group to join us. Welcome, Rob.
Thanks, Amar. Thank you, everybody, for attending today. I'm really excited to talk to you today about the digital entertainment and what we call DEC, as well as the Entertainment Creation Suite 2012. Digital entertainment means something very specific to Autodesk. It's the use of integrated 2D and 3D technologies and workflows to increase the creative innovation and improve production efficiency in the entertainment industry. And the Entertainment Creation Suites were specifically designed to address DEC. The entertainment industry needs to consistently innovate. Audience and client expectations are increasing at a very rapid rate, or what I like to call the avatar effect. The creative bar continually is being set higher and higher with each and every new film, game, or television piece that's released. Audiences expect the content in their films and games to be better than the last piece that they saw or experienced. This poses a fundamental issue with artists and production facilities, where they're being asked to deliver a larger volume of complex content in much shorter amounts of time, while the budgets are remaining flat or in many cases decreasing. To bridge the gap between audience expectations in digital entertainment and the resources at hand, artists and facilities need to implement a modern pipeline. A modern pipeline provides artists and facilities with three critical benefits. First, it gives artists and facilities access to more processing power thanks to software in the entertainment creation suites that are optimized for the latest GPU offerings and multi-core CPUs. Secondly, it increases productivity with streamlined workflows. And finally, it provides artists with greater creative capabilities via a broader palette of tools to take on any project that comes their way. This way, the artists and the production facilities always have the right tool for the job. It's all about saving time and ultimately saving money. The Entertainment Creation Suites deliver the modern pipeline in a simple and elegant solution. These are industry-standard tool sets developed in conjunction with our artists and production facilities to make complex productions more efficient. The Entertainment Creation Suites contain tools like 3ds Max or Maya with specialized tools for effects, as with products or tools such as Softimage Ice, which is the interactive creative environment, and facial animation system called Face Robot. The real-time performance capture capabilities of Motion Builder, and digital sculpting and painting capabilities found within Mudbox. We've done a tremendous amount of work on the 2012 suites, and this specifically pertains to the single-step interoperability. In production, no one product or one tool is used in isolation within the production pipeline. It's important for data to move through each of the tools in the most efficient manner if possible. As you can see, what we're looking at here is the single-step interoperability between Maya and Mudbox, where the assets start off within the Maya software, and the artist says, well, I'd kind of like to give it a much more aged and rugged look, so they can quickly, with one step, take it into the Mudbox software, paint on different types of textures to give it a rusted, more rugged feel, and then simply with one click, take it back into the source package. Keep in mind, these exact same workflows are also found between 3ds Max as well as Mudbox. But we've also done a lot of work to make the interactive experience a whole even better for artists, with the new Nitrous viewport for 3ds Max and Viewport 2.0 for Maya, both part of the Entertainment Creation Suites. With these technologies, artists can better see what their work will look like without the need to continually do test renders or export the content out to a games engine. The whole idea is about saving time and ultimately saving money. As you can see, we're looking at a video here, and this is a typical OpenGL view. And then once the artist clicks on Viewport 2.0, you can see that the environment is a much higher fidelity environment. Things like anti-aliasing, shadows, gamma correction, as well as one of the very interesting things, depth of field. The nice thing is that the tools resemble those of any tool that you'd find in the real world, where the artist can go and simply adjust the f-stop to get the appropriate depth of field that they're looking for. The idea is for artists to be able to work in an interactive environment and have a very close representation of what they can ultimately see when their piece is ultimately going out to their final medium. So it doesn't just stop there. Specialized tools in the Entertainment Creation Suite like Softimage Ice with the Lagoa Multiphysics framework give our customers greater creative capabilities. Lagoa in particular helps artists be able to create very complex effects, whether it's particle effects, fluid effects, or cloth effects, in a completely node-based environment. This allows for the creation of these very complex effects without the need to have additional technical resources on hand. So it helps to lighten the burden for the technical directors. It eliminates the need for additional custom-created tools. And as you can see, you can do some very, very, very complex types of animations, everything from fluid types of effects, particle effects, different types of cloth effects, and so on. One of the very interesting things is that we posted this video on YouTube about, 4 months ago. And in that short amount of time, it's been viewed over 3 million times. And that's a really powerful statement because that really tells you the interest that the 3D community as a whole has in these particular product capabilities. So I'll let you look at some of the other very neat things here. Some of the wonderful cloth work that's being done. All right. Go ahead and... So this is a still from the movie Black Swan. And most people don't realize that this was a very visual effects heavy movie. There were over 220 effect shots done alone for this film. And this is something that's happening more and more, where visual effects are not being used or intended to dominate the story, but rather enhance the storyline. This project is a great example of why artists and facilities need to have a modern pipeline to really be able to meet those customer expectations, regardless of the resources they have in place. This means specialized tools and optimized workflows to complete tasks faster while maintaining the appropriate timelines and the appropriate budgets. The entertainment creation suites are designed just to deliver that. A broad base of tools that allow artists to be able to complete things on time and on budget while exceeding the customer's expectations. So with that said, I'm going to turn things back over to Amar.
Rob, thank you so
very
much.
much.
That was fantastic. Hey, that was great.